In this video, I'm going to show you how I grow my leeks from seed to harvest. Sow seeds in tubs of compost quite liberally because it doesn't matter about spacing at the moment. Keep moist and in good sunlight, and it should take around 6 weeks for them to be ready to plant out. Planting leeks is different to many vegetables in that you need to separate them from the soil first. You usually end up having a lot more than you need, so what I tend to do is only use the most healthy looking ones. Once you've done that, you need to make some holes in the soil for the leeks to be planted into. I'm using this old tool I had lying around to act as a dibber. So you want to make your holes nice and deep as we are dangling in the root system, so deeper holes are preferred. This particular bed has rotted manure added over the winter. Once you've done that, simply place the root system in the hole. It can be a little bit tricky, so I find twisting it into the hole works well. Once in, just fill the hole up with water, and this will close up the hole, bringing the soil around the roots. Snipping your leeks by 1/3 is optional, as the theory states it stimulates root growth, giving you bigger, healthier leeks. I snipped half of my leeks here, and to be honest, it made no difference at all in the end, so that's entirely up to you. So all I've done is water once a week and feed them once a week with liquid seaweed, so that's 2 waterings per week. If the weather was particularly hot, I'd add in an extra watering, as leeks have shallow roots and can't go deep in search of water. Leeks can be left in the ground over winter and harvested as needed.
So if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, pop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.